In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Finviz Signal Filter. If you've ever wanted a fast way to scan the market for stocks that are moving in a specific way, the Signal Filter on Finviz is a simple, powerful place to start. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you know exactly what to click and what to expect on your screen. First, open your browser and head to finviz.com/screener.sh. This is the main screener page where all the filtering magic happens. When the page loads, make sure the filter panel is visible. If you don't see the filters, look for the expand or filter button near the top and click it so the full list of filtering options appears. Next, focus on the area near the top of the filters list and find the drop-down labeled Signal. This filter bundles commonly used technical criteria into easy presets, saving you the time of building complex screens. Click the Signal drop-down to open the list of options. Now choose a preset signal that matches what you want to see. For example, top gainers highlights stocks showing the largest percentage gains, great for spotting momentum. Top losers shows the biggest decliners, which can help you find potential reversals or areas of weakness. Unusual volume flags. Tickers trading far more shares than usual, a useful hint that news or a catalyst may be in play. New high points to stocks breaking above their recent highs, often a bullish technical sign, while new low highlights those making fresh lows, which can indicate ongoing weakness or potential value traps. The exact names in this list can vary slightly over time, but the idea is the same. Pick the behavior you want to surface, and Finviz does the rest. As soon as you select a signal, the table of results below will update automatically. You'll see a list of tickers that meet that condition right now. Take a moment to scan the columns for price, percentage change, volume, and sector to get quick context on what's moving and why. When a ticker catches your eye, click it to open the detailed view. Here you can inspect the chart, review recent price action, and scan additional tabs for fundamentals, news, and more. Use the chart time frame and overlays to confirm whether the move fits your trading or investing plan. If the setup doesn't look right, simply go back to the results and pick another ticker, or return to the signal drop-down and try a different preset to shift your focus. That's it. With just a few clicks, the Finviz Signal Filter helps you quickly surface stocks that match a clear technical story so you can spend your time analyzing, not hunting.